All right, crew, so welcome back to the channel. So today is going to be a quick DIY video. This is going to be the first time I actually use this mechanism for my tailgate. It's actually a bolt-on tailgate latch, and it's from Smokey Road. So hey, we're going to try to make a quick video of this. I've never done it before, so I'm going to have to read the instructions, but I will show you exactly what comes in this bolt-on latch as well. So let me turn you guys around so you can see exactly what's in this kit. So like I said, this is the first time I ever used one of these Smokey Road Rod Shop bolt-on tailgate latch kit, as you see here. And they got a bolt-on and also a weld-on. So I didn't want to do the weld-on. So I'm actually gonna, I'm looking forward to doing this. You got your clamps, your brackets, your cables, and I was tired of having the chains hanging down from the truck. So I seen this at one of the swap meets, and I decided to pick it up. And I already prepped it a little bit, put tape on it so I won't scratch it up and everything. All right. So other than that, let's go ahead and read some instructions, and let's get right into this video. All right. Step one. We're going to start on the passenger side, put the template, and I got tape on it so it'll be held in place. I got a center punch where you see the X's are. We need to center punch those holes. That was just my pallet hole. All right, so the first two holes is going to be a 1/4 drill bit. This lower one is going to be a 5/16, and the bottom one is going to be a 5/16. And this, the one right below it, is a 1/4 drill bit. I got a real bad problem of this kickback here, so I want to make sure I don't hit my panel. All right, crew, so I've go ahead and just wipe these and clean my hose up. So the first thing you want to make sure is you want to get your nut plate here, okay? You don't get your nut that goes into it, but this nut plate goes inside your pocket, just like that, okay? Inside your pocket. Be careful, even if it falls down, it'll drop down below. But I always probably try to put it in halfway. And then I just hand tighten it until I can get it tight. Make sure everything's lined up good. All right, guys, so the next step, we got to get our bolt latch assembly for the housing backing plate. And we'll put up to the bedside. And we'll put the bed on they call them button head bolts. And we'll put those in there next. Go to the second hole here. Alright, I want to show you one thing that the instructions doesn't show. On your bear claw latch, you got these two little pieces here. This little bolt, a screw, little nut. You want to just take it, and it goes on your latch here. Put it here. Then you want to thread it through here. Like so. Alright. Outside latch, you got a little slot here. You want to just take your pliers and then go straight up. This is your stop. Just like that. Alright, so the next thing you're going to do is take your bear claw latch here, assembly here, and you're going to attach it to the inside, tighten it down. Then you're going to take your lock here and you're going to put it over top of your spring there. Just your bolt. Try to hand start it. Let this tailgate down a little bit. Alright, I got it snug, not too tight. Alright, so we're on step 4. Step 4, we need to install the tailgate latch bolt bracket with the latch bolt bracket backing plate. So this is the latch bolt, and this is the backing plate. And we also need our striker, and this is here. So we'll be attaching that to the back side of the tailgate. Alright, so these are the pieces that you're going to need. Just go in the back side of my tailgate. Now if you want to actually paint these, you can scuff them up and paint them, but right now I'm not really sure what I'm going to do. I'm just going to try to fit them in place, and I may paint them later. Well, these are the flange bolts that you're going to use. And like I said, some of this stuff is like a weld-on kit, but this is just screw it on there. Then you get your locking device for your tailgate. Get your lock nut. And you probably want to leave this loose because it'll go up and down as far as your adjustment. So we're going to put it all the way back for right now. Alright, so I just got everything tightened up. And like I said, I don't really want to close it, but I will show you how it works. So basically, because I'm not finished with the steps yet, but it's basically just close it up. Like that. I may have to adjust this. Alright, so I'll adjust that. And then this here basically locks it in place, and this plate here unlocks it. So let me adjust this here. Alright, now it locks in place. I just adjusted it out. As you see it locked. Click this here, and then it'll unlock it. Alright. Alright guys, so next we need to assemble the cable and the cable length on the tailgate. And before we go any further, I'm just letting you guys know these instructions are is not really an in-depth type, so you're gonna have to do a lot of trial and error. Also, one thing I suggest to you is try to oblong your hose, make your hose a little bigger than what it says, because if they're not lined up perfectly, you don't want to mess up any panels or whatever. I did have to ring mine out just a tad, but I wasn't sure why it wasn't fitting properly, and it's just because you have to have it lined up perfect. So anyway, this right here is for the cable for the tailgate assembly. First you need to get this here, which is your cable end guard. You're going to slide it through. You can see right there, got a little end on it. You're going to slide it through there. All right, then you're going to take the small end of the bolt, and it's going to be a tight fit, so you're going to take it and it's squeezed. You see it where it goes in there all the way through. All right, so it's going to be flush all the way through just like that. And it says then you need to get a washer. That washer goes like that. And then we're going to put that on the back of the tailgate door. And then we'll take this bolt here and we will attach it to it like that. All right, so we're still on step number 5. So you're going to get your clamp number 2, and you're going to put your studs, and these funny looking studs like this here. They don't have a back to it, and you just put them in the back side like this of your clamp number 2, which this is clamp number 2. You're gonna go ahead and see if I can angle you guys down so you guys see it better. Get your little star washers, put them on top, and let's just see if we can assemble this thing here. And you also need your clamp number 8, which is that funny looking clamp that looks like an L. All right. Get your. All right, so you just basically need to go in there and measure your cable and just adjust it however long you want it. I want mine to pretty much lay flat, so I did cut off probably about 2 inches of it. Get it and see if we can flake it down in here. I may need to cut a little bit more. Then take number 9 here. Take my lock nuts. I tighten those up. That's how this looks. All right. Then I take this here and put it through just like we did the last ones. And this is the longer one as well. You're also going to need your washer. All right, so let's push that through. I have to get my Allen wrench, push it through, and then we're going to hook it up to the truck. Now since we got the length that we wanted in our cable, let's go ahead and I'll show you this is how it's supposed to look when it's done and set up with your cable locked in there, and you need your washer. Here is going to go up against your side bed side. That's how it is. Alright, so we'll go ahead and do the other side. I won't show you guys that on camera. And then once it's all complete, I'll turn you guys back on, let you see how it looks. Alright, so let's go ahead and close this tailgate up. Alright, looking good. That's how they look on the inside, and that's how they look on the outside. Alright, so this is the finished product, guys, of the hidden door latches. Actually, they're not door latches, they're the tailgate latches, the hidden tailgate latches. You know, basically with these normally come with the dangling here as far as the cable, which it always beats your truck up. So I decided to go with the ones hidden on the inside of your tailgate. So they turned out really good. Got both sides done. Alright crew, so this is the end of this video. Nice and sweet. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I haven't seen anything like this on YouTube as far as the hidden door latches. So if you guys like this video, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Also hit that subscribe button for me, guys, and don't forget to cut your post notification bell on. So like I tell everybody, guys, if you got a good cigar, a fast car, a truck, smoke them if you got them, baby. CJ is out, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace.